Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to not get bored or burned making your art. Or watching this video, I will have 6 tips for you today, and all of them are based on my own experience. And I will try to talk while I'm messing with this my last model I'm working for asset stores. And the first tip is don't get sad looking on other guys' artworks. It's happened with me many times. For example, I've been working recently with for fan art. I've been making a weapon fan art, and I saw some guy just made a full scene with the final boss character there, with the lightings and some environments. Compared to this, my scene were just so miserable. I actually at some moment think it why I am just doing this. Like my work doesn't look any good like this one. Why the hell should I continue? Remember that you can be like the only one best artist in the world. There always will be someone who's just maybe a little bit better than you or more skilled. So don't get sad about this. Maybe you will not be the best artist in the world, but there's always a place in the world for you and for your art. Just keep going, get better, and don't give up. And don't compare yourself with other guys. Yep, tip number 2 is super easy. Just keep practicing every day, whatever happens. Maybe if you're even drunk or I don't know, just spend like 10 or 20 minutes per day doing your art or learnings, whatever. And that way you always will be thinking about your art stuff, and it always will be in your head. That way you are always moving with it. Maybe not super fast, but you are doing it and you have a progress. Tip number 3. Don't wait for perfect moment. Like, oh, my PC is too old, I can run the new softwares. Today is too shiny, it shines on my display, what I can do with this. I can't afford my new tablet, and so on. Just get the older software and start working, get out of the sun and do your arts. If you can't afford the new tablet, get the older one. It rarely happens that you have a perfect moment to start working or whatever. And what you need is to start with your resources that you have now. And that way you have a progress. Just keep doing. For example, I didn't have like a special camera for full screen recording video, and I didn't have a microphone to record with. What I did, I just recorded everything on my phone, and if I didn't do that, my intro video on YouTube would like never happen. So don't wait for perfect moment. Do what you can do now. Tip number 4. Share your art. You should always share your art on socials, add to portfolio, and even if you get like one like there or one comment, this will give you some motivation to keep going. Actually, for me, it gives really a lot of energy and motivation to keep going and do more art, more videos, more art content and everyday streams. So yeah, share your art and I hope it will also motivate you. Tip number 5. It's my very personal. Sell your art. For example, if you're like doing some learnings or maybe challenges, you can try sell your art. For example, I've been working on some Sketchfab Halloween challenge some time ago. I didn't want any places. I want only the crowd award, the one that people choose. The first place award was like $300. And what I did, I put my work on sale to Sketchfab, Unity Store, and some other markets. After a year, I managed to earn from this work couple thousands of bucks. So, yeah, try to sell your art. This also motivates. The last one tip will be have a goal. If you have a goal, you know what direction you are moving and what you need to do for that. Yeah, that's easy. For example, my personal goal now is to get 1k followers on YouTube and do everyday Twitch streams to make from them art content for my Instagram and ArtStation portfolios. And that was my 6 tips for you that are based on my own experience, and I hope at least some of them can be helpful for you. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next videos. How the hell can normally record my videos? There's some storm outside, airplanes flying, kids screaming, damn. And you always will know where